Hello, welcome to this new review on Renderforest, one of the best and complete online platforms to make professional videos, enhance your branding and graphics, and apply successful marketing tools in 8 different languages, even if you are a total beginner. The main page collects everything you need on top. Besides the professional tools to make videos, you can also build logos by typing your brand name, defining a short description, and choosing your most favorite style, refining the logo in detail if you are not satisfied. You can also pick a professional mock-up to test your logo on smartphones, billboards, urban models, clothes, packages, and much more. Just select one and apply your logo on it. Renderforest also includes outstanding tools to create a website, providing templates ready to use that you can edit in text style and color, background image, and in each of its sections. Everything is automatically optimized so that you can upload your website with indications step by step. Last but not least, you can open Design Graphics to make outstanding presentations to share across your social media channels. To start with Renderforest, you just need to sign up with an email account. You can use Renderforest for free, but to remove limitations such as 300 MB of storage, 360p video resolution, and a mandatory watermark, we do suggest to upgrade with a monthly or a yearly subscription. Do not lose our special promo link in our video description to upgrade your license with a special 10% discount. Renderforest is an excellent video editor. You can pick any of the outstanding templates presented, which include animations, intros, outros, slideshows, presentations, and even videos that run in time with soundtracks, such as music visualizations. On the left, fix the video aspect ratio, its duration, and also its frames per second. For example, let's take this template for our YouTube channel. When you click on Create Now, a very easy user interface opens with everything you need to customize the video. Depending on the chosen template, you get different options. At the bottom, you select the proper storyboard to edit and, on the left, edit the content as suggested. For example, you can upload any image with the settings and the filters you prefer. Upload any of your videos or any royalty-free asset offered by Renderforest, and type any text content with proper font. As you switch to style, you customize the animation and the text font or open color to change the color palette to use, in particular, to match your branding colors in no time. Under Music, you can upload your own tracks or pick any of the free ones proposed by Renderforest. This won't oblige to adjust the video length at all, since all the suggested music assets have the exact length of the chosen template, so the music won't get cut. On top, you can also click on Add VoiceOver to add speech and commentary. You can upload any file from your computer, Dropbox or Google Drive, or use Record to record it with your microphone, limiting your time if necessary. Whereas use text-to-speech to type some content to be converted to speech, selecting gender, language, and speed. On Preview, you can render the final video in either a low-quality 360p in case you simply want to get a final preview of it, or select a high-quality 1080p to get the maximum resolution using proper credits. As the video gets rendered, you can go on working and get informed via browser notification when the video is ready. Renderforest allows you to download the final video, publish it directly on YouTube, or share it on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. This video will be available lifetime in your account under the Videos section, among all your creations made in Renderforest. This is all you need to know about Renderforest. Do not forget to catch our promo link and our 10% discount in the video description.